In this video, I'll show you just how fast and easy it is to replace a broken lens on an LG G5 or G6. Even with a protective case, it's a super common problem because you got a big square cut out of the middle of a glass lens like that, so it's vulnerable to breakage. You don't need to take your phone apart to fix this. You just shut the phone off, pull it out of its protective case, and then we're going to remove the lens from the back of the cell phone. The lens is already broken, so all we need to do is make a small opening to get a screwdriver under. So we're just going to tap away a small part of this glass, turn it upside down, get the big chunks out of the way. You're just going to slip your small mini screwdriver under the edge. Don't jam it down and damage the lens on the camera. Just keep an upward pressure. I didn't even heat the phone up for this. You'll just notice I just keep an upward pressure. Just be patient. It's like peeling off a label. It'll slowly come off the back. And once you get the lens off the back, what I did was to get the big chunks and stuff off. First I vacuumed all the debris off, and then I just used a brush to get the remaining pieces away from the camera lenses. And you'll notice this little crease here between the lens and the housing, a lot of debris builds up, and your new lens will go in a lot better if you clean that out first. And so now we're ready to look at the new lenses. This is a plastic lens. So you can get these. The advantage is they don't break. You can bend it, but they scratch a little bit easier. And then you can also get genuine glass lenses like this one. And this particular one came as two parts. You've got both the glass lens itself, and then you've got a double stick adhesive gasket. Always have the little small hole on the left. That's your main camera. So let's go ahead and put our adhesive double stick gasket on here. So we still have the plastic backing on it. We haven't peeled that off yet. So what we're going to do is just make sure the gasket's seated well. Just going to run our little screwdriver over the top of it. Make sure it's adhering well. And now we can peel off the back, and we're ready to drop our new lens in. And press the lens down. I'm just going to use the handle from the brush. Okay, that looks like it went in well. Let's test the camera. Start with the wide angle. Looks like that's working well. Let's try the standard. That's working well too, so we can put it back in the protective case. Looks like this was a good fix. If this video helped you out, please do give a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. And to help out anybody else trying to replace one of these, please do share this video. Thanks for watching.